Hi friends, myself Narmada. Today we are going to see conditional split transformation in the SSIS. Today agenda, what is conditional split transformation in SSIS? How to use conditional split transformation in SSIS. So the conditional split transformation in SSIS, it get the input data from the source data and it check the given condition specified in the conditional split transformation. Finally, output will be sent to the appropriate destination path based on condition result. It has one input and many output. Okay, let me showcase how right. So, for example, I have stored the data in the SQL Server table. Okay, now I just want to load the data into SQL and also text file, but based on by applying some conditions. Okay, so the to apply condition, you have to use condition split transformation. So you can define the conditions here, and based on the condition, the case one result will be stored wherever the destination you have specified. The case two result will be stored in another uh, destination path. Okay, this is the way condition split transformation will work. So the input source input one input, but as many you want based on the condition. The target it could be many, so it kind of one to many. Okay, so the conditions in between you can define by using conditional split transformation. It's like a if statement in any other programming language, and also you guys used an case statement in SQL, right? The case statement, case one, case two, likewise. So this also will work likewise only. Okay, so today demo in this video, I will be loading the data from the SQL Server table. Okay, the input to the conditional split transformation will be the SQL Server table, and inside the conditional split transformation, I will be defining the condition based on the gender column. So if the gender is male, then the male respective record routed to the text file. If the gender is female, the respective record routed to the SQL Server table. So this is the demo. So I have shown you in the picture, right? This is the way we are going to achieve. Okay, let's open Visual Studio MSBA. Create new SSIS package. Just giving package name as. Okay, first you have to define data flow task, right? Because first you need to get the source data, double click and then define the source data. Source, what we are going to do, we are going to fetch data from the database. So just define OLEDB source, then define the connection string. Okay, I'm just using the this connection string. So then select the table name. I'm just going to load the data from the person table. Okay. So this is having this many columns. I want to load all these data. Okay. See gender column present. Based on this gender column only, we are going to define the conditions. Click OK. Now what you have to do, you need to define the condition. Then you need to split the source input data based on condition, correct? So then check the condition split transformation. Here you can see. So then connect the source input data to conditional split. So now I'm just going to define the condition based on gender. Okay. So case one, if you see case one, gender equal to male on result set. Okay. Then we're equal to female. This is another result set. I have defined two conditions, right? Gender equal to male means those result will be stored in the case one. So gender equal to female means that result will be stored into case 2. Click OK. Now define destination. So I just want two destinations, correct? One is flat file destination, another is OLEDB destination. Okay. Now case one result I'm storing into flat file destination. Then case two, drag and drop case two result. Select the case two statement. Then click OK. Now define the connection managers. Click new. I'm just using delimited file. Browse the file. Create. And I am storing the person data. Just create one text file. Click OK. Columns name in the first data row. Select this. Okay. Click OK. See mapping. The mapping already happened properly based on the column names. The source input properly mapped with the target. Okay. Click OK. Now define the destination. I'm using the connection string. Already I have created, so I'm using the same. So I'm just going to create new table. Okay. Person. Um, so check the mapping. So mapping already present perfectly. Click OK. Now we have defined case 1 and case 2. So this is the source input. Source input having, let's see how many columns present in the person table. So we are having 100 records. Okay, this is the source input data. So then we have defined the conditional split. Okay, so in the conditional split we define the condition. So what condition we define? Case 1, if gender is male, then it will go to flat file destination. If gender is female, then it will be go to the table, new table, whatever we have created. Okay. Now save this. Now run the package. So if you see in the 100 records, 48 records are transferred to the flat file destination and 52 records transferred to the table. Let's see person dump tables has been created or not. This is the table we have created, right? So see 52 records transfer all are female. Okay, all are female. So then go and check the files whatever we created. So the person data also created. Check the data is properly created. Then all are male data. Okay. Okay. So this is the way you have to play around with the conditional split transformation. Guys, if you have any question, then just comment me. And also if you like, then subscribe. Thank you for watching.